Who's in the mood for another song? This is coming out June 28th, like the whole recorded version, because I already went to the studio, recorded it. So yeah, mark your calendars, follow my socials, get excited. I've been writing this song since February. So anytime something has happened with this particular person, I've written it down on my notes. Throughout the month, on different days, I've written a lyric down, and so it's kind of all pieced together into this song. Hopefully you guys can relate to it. It's called Both Ways.
Shouldn't loving someone go both ways? Apology without change is manipulation. Oh, and loving you always had me hesitating. She played you, then you played me. You say this time don't worry, it made me a fool, and I followed the rules, never good enough for you. The way you talk to someone is a reflection of how much respect you have for them as a person. On and off, no consistency, you strung me along in my feelings. 'Cause I fell in love with your potential, always made you my essential. Why did every day feel like a chase? Shouldn't loving someone go both ways? I've said it once and I'll say it again, 'cause I mean it. I won't be the girl that you used to get over your feelings. And it's sad that you showed me attention when somebody questioned, made me feel like a trophy in all of the worst ways. That ain't affection. No, that ain't affection. You showed me this was single-sided. 'Cause I fell in love with your potential, always made you my essential. Why did every day feel like a chase? Shouldn't loving someone go both ways? Draining all my energy for someone who never made me a priority. Oh, why did every day feel like a chase? Shouldn't loving someone go both ways?
When I'm in the studio, I like to kind of ad-lib stuff, so just like make up lyrics on the spot and all that. And so here's a sneak peek of something that I threw in at the end of the song. Here it is.
I love at the barn, baby, it wasn't that hard. Built your boy in my dream, can't believe you'd mislead a girl who was